and tab it all in there. Strange, cheap plastics, malleable plastics. Yes, yes, y'all. Let's unseal this. Tightly. Yes, yes, y'all. Gotta take this off here. Careful not to rip the string. Yes, yes, y'all. And we got some string here. Don't know what that is for yet. Yes, yes, y'all. Workbench. Yes, yes, y'all. And got the last two rails that we need. Yes, yes, y'all. This is all coming together. Not too much tabbing in. Yes, yes, y'all. The bank doors. Sewer grate. Got it on. Yes, yes, y'all. Sewer door popped off. Yes, yes, y'all. For $40, it's a decent play, decent build. Yes, yes, y'all. Yes, yes, y'all. We are almost finished here. Which side goes on? This side. Yes, yes, y'all. Yes, yes, y'all. We got a table here. And we got this. Stick this in here. And this attaches right here. Got it. Wacky playset. Yes, yes, y'all, coming along nicely. This would go on here. Yes, yes, y'all. Gotta attach these. How does this go now? Gotcha. Got it tabbed in. Yes, yes, y'all. How does that go in here now? Tab this all together. Very difficult to tab these in. Cheap plastics. Got it. Got me a sewer playset. Yes, yes, y'all. Got me a sewer playset. Yes, yes, y'all. $40. Not that special. Know where to hold this thing to tab it in. Got it somehow. Yes, yes, y'all. That is our sewer playset. Yes, yes, y'all. This goes in here like this. Tabs in there. Oops. Whoa, I'm bending the plastic. Oh, there it is. Bent the plastic, stress marks. But who cares on this $40 cheap playset? Yes, yes, y'all. That is the sewer playset. Yes, yes, y'all. Now, Donatello's workout station here. Let's see how that goes. That goes like that. Got that in. The weights. And this will fasten that in. Yes, y'all. Got the weights. Raphael's weights or something. Yes, y'all. Yes, y'all. Raphael's weight. This goes on here, the punching bag. Another punching bag goes over here. Yes, y'all. And we are done, y'all. Yes, y'all. And all these play features, we are pretty much done. Now what about this stuff? Tabs in like that. Doesn't reach all the way. Yes, so that is the Ninja Turtles playset. And the hook line. Yes, y'all. Yes, y'all. The hook line goes over here, I think. Yes, y'all. Yes, y'all. We got a hook line. Oops, broken nail doing that. There's the hook line. Yes, y'all. Broken nail doing that. Yeah. So that is the SEWER playset. Some wacky playset here. Yes, y'all. Here's the workout bench. Here's a table that goes here in the little spot right there. The slime ball. Yes, yes, y'all. Got these stickers. We could put this sticker on. Yes, yes, y'all. That went on there nicely. Yes, yes, y'all. Decent toy, decent play. We got a rug in there, sewer. Yes, yes, y'all. Got a sewer rug. Stick the sticker on there. This last sticker, I'm not sure where it goes. Yeah, I don't know where the last sticker goes, so I'm just going to put it on wherever I feel like. Stick it over here. Yeah. That is our wacky Ninja Turtles playset, y'all. Yes, yes, y'all, and we are finished with the build. That goes on there. Yes, yes, y'all. Sewer playset. Got a latrine. I'm going to bust out the Ninja Turtles in the next video. Nowhere to open and close this thing. If I do that, I don't want to untab the plastics. Yes, yes, y'all. Here's the subway. That tabs in right there. Subway. Yes, yes, y'all. Here's a clock. When you press that in, this should fall. Doesn't really. Yes, yes, y'all. That is the sewer playset. What do you think, y'all? Gonna get the figures out in the next video and wait for the sun. $40 playset versus $700 playset. Yes, yes, y'all. There's Tiger. Tiger enjoying that. Yes, yes, y'all. Gonna bust out the Ninja Turtles in that playset, but that was a fun build. Yes, yes, y'all. Not so bad. Maybe I'll give this playset away. Yeah.